Hey you guys, I'm Carrie Henderson, personal fashion stylist, here to help you elevate your personal brand through style. So when I meet with my clients, I always have one item with me, whether I'm meeting with them for a fitting or to dress them for a special event, and that is my stylist kit. It is a bag of items that I have that make sure my clients always put their best foot forward, from a lint brush to safety pins, garment guards, a makeup protector hood. These items help me make sure my clients' clothes always fit them well and they always look impeccable when they walk out the door. But as a stylist, I'm not the only one, or I should say stylists aren't the only ones that should have this type of kit. You need one too. It's what I like to call the Wardrobe Toolkit. Now you guys don't have to go out and have as much stuff as I do. I could do a whole video showing you all the things that I have in my kit. It's actually the size of a small suitcase. You definitely don't need that much, but there are about 8 or 9 items that I think you guys should have just on hand because wardrobe malfunctions happen. You know, what if you are in the office and the hem of your pants comes undone and it's the beginning of your day, so you have to walk around in these pants all day. You don't want your pants dragging on the ground. Or you may be in the car on the way to meet with a client and you spill coffee on your shirt. Or maybe you look down right before you're about to head on stage, you know, you're wearing something that's all black or a dark color and you realize you're covered in lint. You want to make sure you have some items to solve all of these problems and to solve them quickly, because the last thing you want to do is, you know, spend time going to CVS or Walgreens or all these different stores trying to find a solution when you can have it on hand with you. So this wardrobe toolkit will really help you when wardrobe malfunctions happen, and it helps you make sure you stay polished and well put together at all times. Now what I would recommend doing is downloading the checklist that I have below. I have a list of the 8 or 9 items that you guys need. Purchase the items and then put them in a small bag that you can carry with you, while you're traveling, in your car, at your desk, and to keep these items at home. So when things happen, you're prepared, and there are some things in that kit that are actually preventative to make sure things don't happen, like the makeup protector hood. You want to make sure you don't get makeup on your shirt while you're getting dressed. So make sure you guys click the link below to download the checklist. If you want some suggestions or you want to see how to use some of these items on the list, make sure you check out the makeup protector hood video and also the garment guard video that I created for you guys, so you guys just to see how these things work. And I also have links on where you can purchase those items. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions, drop them below as well, and I'll see you guys in another video.